Hello beautiful people, welcome to Remi's Fashion. My name is Remi. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draft pockets for trousers. So let's get started. Welcome back. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to draft pockets for our front trouser pattern. So this is our trouser pattern that I'm going to be using to draft the pockets. So the first thing we're going to do is at the top here, you decide how far you want your pockets to be. I'm going to be taking 2 inches from here towards this side, and I'll measure and I'll mark. That's the opening of the pocket. That is what we are deciding on. How wide you want it, the width and the length. So I want it to be 2 inches, so I'll place 2 inches here. And then the depth, I want it to be 7.5 inches. So I'm going to measure 7.5 down here, and that place puts me here, and I'll mark 7.5. So this is where my 7.5 is. So I'm going to put a notch here. So this is going to be the opening for my pocket here, and then another notch here. So, and then I'm going to join them together like this. So this is what we're going to be folding in. So by the time we fold it in like this, this is going to be the opening for our pockets. So this is the opening for our pockets. So now we need to create the pocket bags because we need to put our hands in our pocket. Okay, so this is the opening. So I'm going to put notches on there so that by the time you cut out on your fabric, every time you're cutting out, you do not have to do this over and over again. You already have it. Okay, so 1 notch there, or you can just use a scissors to cut it, and another notch there. So I have my notches which I can transfer to my fabric every time I cut. So after doing this, the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to create the pocket bags. So we're going to be creating 2 different bags. One that has the shape of this completely, and then the other one is going to be having the shape of this. Then we'll create a facing for them because we're going to be using our lining for our pocket bags. And then you should have a facing which is going to be the main fabric so that the lining part is not showing. So the facing is just going to be on top while the bags are going to be on the inside. Once your pocket is open, your facing is the main fabric and that's what's going to be showing. But the pocket bags are on the inside and those are going to be lining. We're going to be using our lining material for that. For the full bag, I'm going to be adding a pattern paper underneath like this. So I'm going to cut this same shape exactly. I'm going to hold it up with pins. So now I want to draft my pocket bag. This is the opening, my pocket opening. Once this is closed like this, and I put my hands like this, I want to be comfortable once I put my hands in the pocket. So I need to know what the width of my hands in my pocket is going to be and what the length of my hands in my pocket is going to be. So you want to have enough room for your hands in your pocket. So once I put my hands like this, I open this out. So I'm going to take my measurement from here. So I need to determine the width. So I put my hands in my pocket like this. So if I measure from the beginning, my hands are in my pocket like this. So I'm going to use a width of 8 inches. That's comfortable enough. And then the depth, you now decide what depth, what length you want to use. My hands are in my pocket like this. I'm going to measure from here. So I'm going to measure a depth of 12.5 inches. This is more than enough. You want to have room in your pocket. Okay, so I'll do 12.5 inches. So the width is going to be 8 inches. So I'm going to cut out this shape. Once I cut out this shape, I will take this out. I'm going to trace it out. Then I will now measure 8 inches width and then 12.5 inches length. So let me just cut out the shape of this for now. So I'll take out my paper scissors. I'll just cut out the exact shape that I have on here. This is my pocket opening. I'm going to write that pocket opening. So I have the exact shape. So when I put it underneath, it's going to be the same thing. So this is my pocket opening. That's 2 inches. And then I went down. The length is 7.5 inches. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'll take out the paper underneath and I'll draw out my measurement. So this is the shape of my trousers. Okay, so I'll put this aside. So we said we're going to have a width of 8 inches. So I'm going to measure 8 inches from here. I'll mark. And then we said 12.5 inches is going to be the length. 12.5 puts me here. So this corner, I'm just going to have a curve. I'm going to curve it in. So I can just smoothen that in. So I can cut out this shape now. And this will be my pocket bag 1. So this is my pocket bag 1. So we're going to cut 2 of this. We're going to be cutting 2 for both pockets. The width is 8 inches. And then the length 12.5 inches. So we're cutting 2 of this. We're going to be using our lining. So this is it. Put this here now. Fits in exactly. So this is 1. So the next one we're going to be cutting should have this shape. So I'm going to take another pattern paper. I'm going to cut out exactly this shape. I'll put it in here and then I'll mark and cut out that side. So I'm going to cut out. I've cut out this one. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take out my pins. So this is the second one. I'll put it underneath here like this. I'll match it to this exactly. So I'm going to close in my opening and I'll draw the line and cut out this part. You see? So I'm going to cut out this opening now. So this is the second one. See? Matches. This is going to be on top of this bag like this. So this is my pocket bag. I'm just going to label it pocket bag 2 and then I'm going to cut 2 on lining as well for this one. So these ones are going to sit underneath like this. And because we're going to be cutting both of them on lining, you do not want lining to be showing on here. That is why we need to cut facing, which is facing for the main fabric. That's what we're going to be cutting so that that will lay on top as well and it will cover this part. So that once your trousers is like this, you have the lining bags. These 2 are lining bags. They are lining, right? But your facing is going to be the main fabric. So that's why we have to create a facing for it. So that's what we're going to be cutting next. So to draft our facing for our pocket bags, all you need to do is get another pattern paper and put underneath your 2 pocket bags you've already drafted. And then what we're going to do is, I'm still going to follow this shape. This slanted one, this is where it ends. So I'm going to measure 2 inches down from where it ends. I'll put a dot there because I'm still cutting the shape, right? I just want it to go a bit beyond the slanted one. Then here as well, this is where it starts here. I'm going to measure 2 inches as well. I want it to go beyond that by 2 inches. And I'll put a dot there as well. So I'm going to connect this to this once I take off my other pocket bags. So what I need to do now is I'm going to cut out this shape exactly like how this is. Up to here. And then this one up to here, okay? And then I'm going to connect it with a curve just like I did for these bags as well. So I'm going to take out my pins, take out this one. This is the shape I want, and then I'm going to connect from here to here, but I'm going to use a curve as well. You can now correct your curve like this. So this is the one I'm going to be cutting out. So I'm going to write my labels. So this is my pocket facing. So I'm going to cut. I'm cutting 2 for both sides of the pockets. And then I'm cutting on main fabric. Cut fabric, main fabric. This is note to self. So when you pick up this, you know exactly what this is. Okay. And then this is the top. Those are pocket bags all done for the facing. So I'll show you how you're supposed to fix them. We're going to be fixing them on the main fabric after cutting out. So, but I just still want to show you. This one is going to sit like this underneath here, like this. And then the pocket bag is going to be on top. It's going to be on top like this. It should align with this, right? And then this one is the other pocket bag. It's going to be on top like this, because that's the lining part. After flipping it over, this is what we have. So this is our main fabric. This is our main fabric. So you put your hands in your pocket like this. So your lining pieces are not showing. And these ones here are your lining pieces. And these bags are all going to be joined together. It's all going to be covered. So this way you can put your hands in your pocket easily. This is our pocket opening. This is our pocket bags, all done. With this, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Would you be trying out this pattern? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next tutorial. Take care and God bless.